Okay, here's the back of the Skystream. These blades right now are 97.5 inches long, and a little wind is coming up here. It's a little bit intimidating standing this close to it, right behind it in a wind. The plus shape you can see on the back is something I added to the back nose cone in an effort to help the wrong way problem that Skystream has in light and moderate winds, when the wind on a particular day comes in from a totally different direction than it was blowing the previous day. And it seems to help. It helps the situation a bit. I can zoom in a bit on the top here for you, and you can see the rubbers, the stiffer rubbers I put on the back. Those are the black ones up on top. They're made of a rubber that's about twice as hard as the original rubber that's on there, which also I did to help with the wrong way problem. Skystream has a bit of a memory effect when it sits in a direction, the same direction, basically in a no-wind situation for more than half a day or so. The rubber gets sort of a memory effect, and it compresses down a bit, so that then when the wind finally does come around, if it's coming in from the opposite direction, it sort of has a prejudice to stay in the direction that the turbine's been sitting in for that half a day or one day or whatever the period of time is it's been sitting. So by stiffening those rubber snubbers up, I did only the top 8, I didn't do the bottom 8, just the top 8, it tends to take away that kind of sag effect, that little compression effect it gets, and again helps toward the wrong way issue. You can see it's quieted way down, so you can get a much better look at it now. The wind is coming out of the northwest right now, but as soon as it changes around to the west, you'll see this pick up speed. The test stand pretty much gets wind, can make use of wind from anywhere from the south, east, through the west, but the northwest doesn't really have access to that wind, so it acts a little squirrely, but there's some wind. You'll see it now, it's starting to pick up. Getting a couple decent gusts there into the upper teens, maybe middle to upper teens. I'm going to move around to the side here and just show you a side view in the little window. This is a demo unit Skystream, and they came with these little cutouts in the side, and you can see the custom electronic circuitry inside there. It's a combination of the rectifiers and the braking circuitry and so on and so forth. You can kind of get, so one of the large capacitors in there that you're looking at there, the big blue cylinder is one of the large capacitors. There's 3 of them in there. You can see more of this out on the website. If you go in Facebook or and just search for We Are Solar, you'll find I have a lot more detailed information and photographs out there about this conversion that I've done, re-engineering if you wish. And I have no business interest whatsoever in wind turbines at all, zero. So this is just strictly a re-engineering, an educational FYI type video, and photos and all the information I have out there is, again, it's just an FYI as to a project I'm doing, and I have no financial interest in it whatsoever. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a little preview to show you what it looks like when it gets winding up there, and that will do it for my first video here. Thank you.